We have two customers. One is the students, another is the industry, right? So we are training, educating the students so that they can be successful professional and then take the industry forward. It is a challenge for us as a faculty member to provide that capability of visualizing the three-dimensional object of the space based upon the drawings. We have started complementing that by utilizing this immersive navigation through the 3D environment. Now the students can go into those scans of the 3D environment on their own time. So it's not that we are taking time out of our classroom. And at the same time, it is always available to the students. So we have posted those on our website. The future plan is to create an entire library with a lot of more stuff than what we have currently. Now we cannot operate in a vacuum. The industry is adopting innovative technologies. So we have to be, if not ahead of the curve, but at least at par with the curve. And I believe that is a service we have to do in order to prepare our graduates to be effective in the industry.